Baka yung kilikili niya kaya dyan. Yung kilikili yan. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. No, kasi baka maputol yung kamay mo ganyan. Sa kilikili lang.
Exercise?
Try with this?
Yeah. Please, thank you. Okay, no, we're gonna turn, yeah, okay, hold on, Jelana, you wait. It's okay, you're making it. You're good. That's a good practice. You're gonna be good soon. Good job. Ni Oh, wow. Good job. That's a good practice. Julene, can you pick it up, that anak? No, it's okay, Jelana. No, it's gonna get dirty.
You wanna try here?
Oh, the chair. She can push the chair. Yeah, she can push. Yung chair. You can push the chair. Alam the chair. Like this skating, yeah. Jelana, do you want to push this chair? Dito asan. Yeah, you can hold that one, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go, yep.
No, keep going. Practice.
Ni kailangan nasa likod ka niya siguro.
Oh, you need a knee pad. Masakit na.
Knee pads, elbow pads, and should head and head.
No, Ate Dong is hold you. You want me hold your hands? No. Okay.
You want your mom?
Yeah. I hold your other side. Okay? Ay, Jo! Dito ka sa isa, Jo! Jo, hold this other hand. Yeah.
Hindi pa siya marunong.
You hold her other hand, so I'll hold her other hand. Okay? Don't put your legs wide. Just like Julie. Ready?
Oh.
Not your legs.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Hindi pa siya marunong. Wow, good job, Jelana. Good job. Yeah, good girl. Good job.
You're getting it.
Good job. Hindi mo siya.
Not too fast.
Not too fast. Oh.
I can't stop.
Oh, your hands hurt. Niwa ka mo. Ate Dong is gonna help you first.
Run, slow, turn.
Good job. You're getting better, Jelana. We have to practice that every day now, okay? Okay. At hindi maliit yan, yung pwede mo palitin yan, mga yan.
Wait, so you're like skiing. Okay? Hold. Wait.
I wish they still made heelys. They like go with your shoe.
Oh no, they don't do that.